welcome back to my vlog channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing my day in the life in Singapore on my, well, flying off days, I would say. So today morning I came back from the flight, landed back from Munich, Germany. You can watch the vlog from the link up here. So I'll also link the video towards the end of the flight, towards the end of the video. So I landed back and reached home at 8 a.m. was replying to some emails and also slept at 9 a.m. and then I woke up at 2. Then I spoke with my friends and family, video call. Then I was super hungry. So first of all, what I like to do, I made my warm honey lemon water. I love it. You know guys, I bought olive oil butter the last time that I went to grocery shop. It's called it's not from Singapore for sure. It's like a European country. I think it doesn't have the European Union. Oh, made in Australia. Okay, so it's an olive spread. I'm very excited. It said 33% less fat, 43% lower in sodium. This is not salted, I think, and it's naturally cholesterol free. So let's see how that goes. If you wake up and you feel like, oh, I have a headache, I feel groggy, I don't feel fresh or anything, just have warm honey lemon water, or maybe cold, whichever one you prefer. In the morning I like to drink some warm water to kind of open up my throat. So because at night, I don't know, I'm very easy to get a runny nose and stuff. My immunity is fine, but it's just a thing with me. So I had my warm honey lemon water while talking to my mom, and then I had I ruined some rice earlier, and then I had to kind of salvage it, try to make it better, and I don't want to waste food, so I didn't want to just throw it away. So I made some rice cakes, you can say. So actually, do you want to know how I did that? Let's roll the clip of it now. So basically I made dal, and I was like, dude, look at me, I'm such a pro now, so let me make some rice. And I made like a cooker full of rice with yellow dal. You know how it's sort of like a khichdi, but not really. My nani would make it. So it obviously did not taste like how my nani makes it. I was cooking so much rice for the first time actually, and I did not realize how much water is supposed to be put, and the rice and dal mixture ended up looking very mushy and just sticking together, clumpy, and just your nightmare. So I am trying to save it. I've saved most of it. It's just the last bit that I need to save up. So I thought I'll vlog that bit. Let me share what I did. So I had the option of either making khichdi or rice cakes. So I obviously went for rice cakes. This is the last one I've made. Okay, one box is done. These are the boxes that I use for my meal prepping and stuff. So I've made some here, made some here. This is how they turned out. So yummy looking, right? And I am letting the excess oil be absorbed here. This is what the mixture looks like. I wish I had the before of the rice to show you, but you can tell, like, there's rice, the little bit of dal, these are the onions and some of the spice. It's yellow because of the besan. I'm gonna put this in the oil. You can see with the blacky bits, oh, this is too detailed, how much I've done in this, and look at how dirty it gets your stuff. Dude, I just cleaned my counter off like 2 days ago. Well, 2 days ago is not good enough, I guess. Let's fry this. Also, you know guys, I was trying to get one piece out directly onto this plate. So I put this plate right here, right? I forgot that I have tissue paper, and the tissue paper started burning from the gas. I was like, oh shit, fire hazard. I'm gonna put some oil on my hands. I just use the outside of it, so at least it's clean. I knew I'm gonna be looking like this when filming this video. That's why I didn't film it from start to finish, man. Anyways, Let's try to get this going. The oil must be hot. It's dangerous, guys. If you plan on making this or any frying way, dude, it's really dangerous, man. Why waste food, man? People are going hungry in the world and you're gonna just throw away food like that? No, thank you. And there's always, I feel like when it comes to cooking, there's always a way to save it. Okay, I was frying for a long time and the oil started to burn because I could tell that there's a lot of dhua and a lot of smoke, so I switched that off and now I'm just gonna put this. I think it should be still hot. Yay, that's a perfect little thing. Not hot at all because it didn't make a sound. Finally, I finished it off, guys. It was such a big batch of rice that I had to finish up, man. It's already starting to bubble up. Love that. Okay, so oh, I can see it turning brown from the sides. Lovely. Now after frying, I'm not going to throw the rest of the oil away. I'm going to use it. Well, it is too burnt. I don't know, let's see. But I'm not going to waste it, that's for sure. So then after waking up, I just had 3 of those with some sauce. I was still feeling super duper hungry. So I had my favorite health bar. Let me just show it to you. It's a Carmen's no fruit protein bar and I love it. Whoa, the lighting. Switch this on. Let me show you. I bought a whole box and I think I just have 1 or 2 left. This is the box. It's Carmen's real food made with real passion. These are big bars, original fruit-free muesli bars. I love these. I bought a whole pack of these and I'm finishing up. So I need to get new ones. You just open it from here and you can dispense one out. I got a text from my friend here. She was in my previous airline and now in this airline. I thought, hey, do you want to work out together? Because I've been doing this. I shared on Instagram, if you follow me there. I did a public K-pop aerobics class and it was so much fun. So I thought, hey, do you want to do one more? Because there are free classes like that every single day there. But it's just not in an enclosed space. It's like open, anybody can come. So today's yoga and after my flight I think I could really use some stretching. My calves were throbbing. It was a very hard working flight. So she said, yeah, sure. So I'm very excited. That's why I'm in workout wear. Do you want to see the outfit of the day? This is such an unflattering mirror, man, but this is the outfit. I love this thing. Decathlon, H&M. Dude, this makes my legs look so nice and even tucks in because the band is still here. Look, I keep forgetting. My brother will kill me. I think these are Reebok. Doesn't say anywhere on the thing, man. Reebok or somewhere. Okay, and then this little jacket. I don't have any sporty kind of jacket. Bomber jacket that I got from H&M a while ago. I'm wearing this because the library is so cold here. So yes, and then I've got a fresh face with some sunscreen and cream on it. And now I'm just finishing up the last bit of my matcha milk. Oh, I also did a bit of laundry. You want to see? Let me show you my laundry. I did a little bit of laundry, some bed sheet and stuff. I put a fresh bed sheet in my room. Oh, let me show you that. This is a new bed sheet. I know it's a bit, well, it's really wrinkled. But hey, it's tighter than my usual thing. I put extra effort, so yeah. Yay! And when I have night flights, guys, you would imagine that these eye masks are just for show, but actually after night flights, because today when I was about to sleep, it was sunrise time, so I could not sleep obviously even after the curtains were closed. So I usually use these depending on which side of the bed I am on. Do you guys just quickly want to see what's in my workout bag? So this is the bag I'm going to carry. My mom and brother bought it actually, not my choice, but hey, this is the only sporty looking thing that I have when it comes to bags. I have this extra bag because I want to buy some groceries. Don't have any fruits and some bread, bus pass, house key, lip balm, and my health bar is gonna go in this, wallet, phone, I'll keep that in my hand, and we need a water bottle. This, by the way, home center. Love, it's very convenient. And we're done. So let's go work out and I'll see you guys after. Hi all, good morning. It's the next day. Yesterday, after coming back from the yoga, I was just so tired and exhausted. I spoke to my family and then I slept and I literally just woken up. I should have waited maybe for a bit, but dude, just had to finish this vlog. By the way, yesterday I went to the yoga class and then me and my friend realized that you need a yoga mat for a yoga class. She said she had it at her home. She said, oh shoot, I forgot to bring it from my home. I'm like, I forgot to bring it from India. I don't have it. So I quickly went to Miniso and bought this pink one. Got a good deal on it, so I'm very excited. It even has that thing which you wear here so that it's at your back. Pretty cool. I look like a professional. However, it was my first time doing yoga like proper. And I did that. Then we went to a nearby hawker center, which is like an open, kind of like food court you can say. And we had some puri chole and samosa. Then we have bandung, which is basically roux afza mixed with condensed milk and ice. I know that drink we get in India also, but here they call it bandung. We had that. Then we came back. We were full from that. Then after coming back, I showered. After long flights, you can actually feel the dryness in my body. Now I could feel the crampiness in my body, which was cured by the yoga. I did really feel opened up, and I kind of have a lot of respect because okay, I used to think that it's easier than it was. Okay, the balancing, yeah, but it was fun. And my friend, she had done yoga before. She said some areas might hurt, and they do. Okay, so my back kind of hurts a little bit because it got stretched. This part hurts, this part hurts. Maybe some areas that were not used before, yeah. So that was that. I slept for 13 hours today, so yeah. I'm looking above my couch and I need to put my scratch off map there. I need to call my friend home to help me put it up. So that's how I spend my post-morning flight days. I don't know how I'm gonna title it, but in case you were wondering. Now back in India, this day would just be spent in sleeping and then that's it, nothing. But here I get an off today, I have an off tomorrow, so I can actually live a life. Because one day, which was yesterday, half a day was spent sleeping, then the other half of it was literally spent kind of trying to adjust myself, because even in yoga when she would tell us to close our eyes and kind of breathe in or whatever, I would kind of yawn or be almost falling asleep. So you need this time to adjust. So I just really hope Indian aviation gets the human aspect of it. Amen. Anyways, this is how I spend my off days. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see other days, how I spend days when there's no flight or pre-flight days, anything. I'll be here to show it to you. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye till then.